Welcome to the exciting world of jQuery. In this lecture, we will explore the basics. What exactly is jQuery? The prerequisites you should know, why jQuery is a game changer in web development, and its browser compatibility. Discover different ways to add jQuery to your web pages and learn about the advantages of using hosted jQuery from tech giants like Google or Microsoft. Are you ready? Let's get started. What is jQuery? According to jQuery.com, jQuery is a fast, small, and feature-rich JavaScript library. Simply put, it's a powerful tool that simplifies complex JavaScript tasks, making web development faster and enjoyable. With jQuery, you can do the following, all with less code: DOM manipulation, CSS manipulation, event handling, effects and animations, AJAX requests, plugins, etc. What you should already know. Before diving into jQuery, having a basic understanding of HTML and CSS is beneficial. Familiarity with JavaScript fundamentals is a plus, as jQuery builds upon these foundations. Don't fear if you are still learning JavaScript. jQuery's syntax is designed to be beginner-friendly, smoothing the learning curve. Why jQuery? jQuery has stood the test of time and is still widely adopted by major companies such as Google, Microsoft, and IBM. The lightweight nature of jQuery ensures quick page load times, contributing to a better user experience. By learning jQuery, you are equipping yourself with a skill used by industry leaders, opening doors to exciting opportunities in web development. As you delve into jQuery, you are not just learning a library, you are gaining a valuable skill set that aligns with industry standards. So let's dive into the power of jQuery and discover all that it has to offer. Will jQuery work in all browsers? Yes, jQuery is designed to work seamlessly across various browsers, ensuring consistent performance and functionality for your web applications. Different ways to add jQuery to your web pages. You can add jQuery to your web pages in a few ways. One common method is to download the jQuery library and host it on your server. To do that, open your browser, go to google.com and search for jQuery download. And click the first link that points to jQuery.com. On their download page, click Download the compressed production jQuery 3.7.1 link. This will open the entire library in browser. Press Ctrl S to save the library file on your computer. Include it in your HTML file using a script tag like this. In the src attribute of the script tag, you will specify the path of the jQuery library file. In this example, the path specifies two things. Number 1, the library file is inside a folder named JS, and number 2, the current HTML file and this JS folder are in the same directory. The best place to put the script tag in an HTML document is at the bottom of the body tag, before the closing body tag. Placing it at the end of the HTML document allows the page to load and render before the JavaScript code is executed, enhancing the perceived loading speed for users. Alternatively, you can use a Content Delivery Network (CDN) to include jQuery directly from a remote server. Click the back button on your browser, scroll down a bit, and you will find links for using various CDNs. For example, to use Google CDN, click on the link, copy the script tag, and use it in your HTML page like this. Advantage of using hosted jQuery from Google or Microsoft. Using hosted jQuery from services like Google or Microsoft's CDN has advantages. It increases the likelihood that users already have the library cached from visiting other sites, leading to faster load times. Plus, these CDNs are often distributed globally, ensuring speedy access for users across the world. It simplifies maintenance too, as you don't need to worry about hosting and updating the jQuery library on your server. But if you are working offline, the browser won't be able to fetch the jQuery library from the CDN, resulting in a failure to load the script. So download and host jQuery locally to ensure that your web pages can access jQuery even without an internet connection. Summary. Here is your takeaway for this lecture. jQuery is like the magic wand of web development, making things easy and fun. Before you jump in, know HTML, CSS and a bit of JavaScript. Why jQuery? Well, jQuery is still a popular JavaScript library used by major companies like Google, Microsoft and IBM. And the best part, it works seamlessly with all browsers. We also checked out different ways to add it to our pages, host it or use CDNs including Google and Microsoft for speed. That's all for this lecture. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lecture.